So guys, today I'm here at Me London Hotel run by Melia, and it's a 5-star London hotel in Covent Garden Strand area, and it's absolutely lovely. I've just done a room tour on Instagram with all the details, and it will be saved in a archive on my Instagram profile. So if you want to listen to more in-depth information about the hotel room, do watch that. It's quite chilly, but I'm currently on the balcony. This is an Energy Urban Terrace room, and the view is so good. Yeah, it's around 4 PM now. Me and my mum are gonna head outside and have a look around Covent Garden, or what's around the hotel, and yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date, so stay with me and let's see what happens next. Okay guys, so I'm currently at Wagamama's. Me and my mum are having something to eat. They do have restaurants in the hotel, but we're gonna have breakfast in one of the restaurants tomorrow, so I thought I would show you that. Plus we wanted to have a look round and try something different. So yeah, we just ordered our food. We're waiting for it to come. Just about to have some drinks for now, and I'll show you when the food comes. Sorry if you can't hear me, it's a little loud in here because of the music, but yeah. Shower, and yeah, I look funny because I got a shower cap on, but I just remembered about the beauty kit and dental kit that we got in the bathroom. The girls, you've got a beauty kit, and if you've forgotten any like cotton pads or combs, you get provided with some. There's also a nail file, cotton pads again. There's cotton pads, but my mum used them. I mean, earbuds. You also get 2 scrunchies, so yeah. And as I said, you also get the shower cap. So like me, because it's snowing outside, if you don't want to get your hair wet, especially because it's a rainfall shower, then that's good as well. Also, they actually have a dental kit, and if you forgot your toothbrush and toothpaste, don't worry, because you get this nice little toothbrush and a little toothpaste. So I think that's a nice touch from Me London. And yeah, I'm gonna go in the shower now because time's getting on. I slept in and I'm just looking forward to breakfast now. So I'll see you guys when I'm downstairs at breakfast. Just came down for breakfast and we've been seated, and if you pay for the bed and breakfast, you get self-service breakfast, which is basically breakfast buffet. So I'm gonna go and check out the food right now. The restaurant or place where you have breakfast is really nice and fancy, as you saw. That little fire when we walked in, I really liked that. But just for reference, if you didn't pay for bed and breakfast and you wanted breakfast, you can pay extra for breakfast, and you can choose from either the full breakfast buffet or the continental breakfast. Let's go. Then you don't pay extra for the omelette or eggs benedict, but if these aren't inclusive, then you have to pay extra basically. So guys, we had breakfast, we came back to the room and got our stuff ready because we're going to check out now. When you stay at Me London Hotel, you've got to check out before 12. It's around 11, quarter past 11, maybe 11:30, but the weather's not nice outside. As you saw earlier, it was snowing, so we're gonna head back home now because we live about maybe an hour away, so we don't want to get caught in any traffic or congestion. Hope you enjoyed this vlog / hotel review. If you did, give it a like. If you want to see more hotel reviews or more videos like this, give this video a like, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.